Hello, good morning. Today is 29th April. So let's see what are the opportunity we have for the intraday trading. Yesterday short on GC and NQ really paid off. If you haven't watched that video, do check out. It's on YouTube channel. So let's get started. Let's review the index first. Currently, let's switch towards the ES chart. Let me remove all the drawing and on the higher time frame where we are. So as usual, we are above the all-time high. This is all-time high level, and after the all-time high retest, this was a retest. We had a up move followed by this consolidation. So this was the high of the consolidation. Then another up move followed by this consolidation. Yesterday had a retest of this consolidation, and today's bar is inside this bear bar. So currently it's in no trade zone because it's an inside day today. Let's see if we get any follow through below this level, then could be a good shot towards the low end. So this is one of the support level, or we can say that this is a breakout low that is happened. So maybe we can get a support here. This level I marked because of we had a consolidation here and had a breakout. That's why I marked this level. And for the upside, this is a level. Uh, this is a level from where price drop. So let's switch towards the 15-minute time frame now. So now we know the context that market likely going to have a consolidation uh, because we are trading inside the previous day range. And also keep in mind that today is a FOMC meeting, so we are likely going to have a rotational day. Uh, so that you have to keep in mind. But these three are the level I plotted. This one, this one, this one, and this one. So as you can see, yesterday we had a bounce from this low. This was the lowest point where the from where the price went all the way till 37222, and that is where we got a bounce. So likely, there can be one scenario that if we get a retest of this level, then a rotation towards the 7206 can happen around this level. But in case we get a rejection, I think we don't have much room to the left hand side. Only this much we can capture. But if we get a price action below 7135, then we have a lot of room to go towards the downside. So this is if we look towards the left hand side, we don't have much price action. After losing 7134, price can quickly go towards the 7180. So there are two scenarios I would like to go. One is the long at 7160, keeping a small stop for targeting this region 7260, and on a loss of this support, I would like to go short for the target of 717080. So this is for ES, looking interesting. I would like to play both side, long and short, as we are in the inside day. uh, yeah, that's for ES. Let's look at the MNQ. On the MNQ, this is the all-time high level, and if you see, we had a breakout followed by a retest of this level. We had one inside day. This was the inside day, followed by another breakout towards the upside. So that's why let me mark this support zone. So this was the resistance. It has acted as a support now. This is a flip of support, a flip of resistance into support. So this is a quite important level. In case we lose this level, price is likely going to rotate towards the downside. So one of the downside is this one, and another is this level. So this can be two downside target. I can think of. There is all-time high level here also. Um, yeah. So on a loose of 27,088, I think we can again test this all-time high level, which is at 26,860. But on a hold of 27,090, I think price can go towards again towards the all-time high. So these two scenario uh, similar to ES. So price action looks similar to ES. We have tested this low. This was the low which has been tested, and now price move towards the upside. Any retest again back to this region, I would like to go long. So this can be a long scenario, keeping a small stop loss below this low for the target of this one. And for the short opportunity, I think I don't want to play in this chop zone. So you are likely going to get a chop between 27,085 and 26,865. But in case we get a price action below 26,860, I think short can play well towards the downside. So if you see, we have a week. So in case we lose this level, price can quickly go to fill this week. So these two scenario I can think retest of 27,090 for the target of 27,430, and towards the downside below 26,850, I would like to target 26,670. So that's for the MNQ. Let's switch to the GC. GC on a daily time frame, we are bearish. So if you see uh, from here, price started the consolidation. This was the this is where the we discussed this scenario last time also. We had this giant bearish candle followed by this all four inside candle. So this was the inside candle. But what is happening that each high is getting lower. This was the scenario, and it was perfect short scenario below this level for the targeting this low. So you could have executed this well uh, for the 1 is to 3, 1 is to 4 risk to reward. But now we are approaching this support. In case we lose this support with the volume, then if we look towards the left hand side, there is one level. So this is the level you can target because momentum is toward the downside. If you see, this is a good bearish candle. So, and if you see today also we are getting a follow through of this bearish candle. So anything below 4580, I think it's a good shot for the target of this level at least, like this. Keeping a small stop loss, maybe 10 point stop loss you can keep on a loss of 4580, and target is 4509 or 4500. So this is one of the short scenario I would like to play. Let me keep, let me set an alert here. Uh, yeah, that's about GC. YM, I think nothing had changed. If you see on the daily time frame, uh, this is a high from where the sell-off started. We have reclaimed this high, but on a daily time frame, if you see, we had this giant bullish bar followed by this consolidation. We are trading near the consolidation low, which is in the range of 49,200 and 49,000. Uh, but if you observe the candlestick, it's really low volume, and wick is towards both wick is towards the upside as well as towards the downside. Uh, yeah, it's not really good environment we are in at the moment. But about 49,550, I think target is 50K. But I would like to try one more long at this low, keeping a small stop loss, and target is 50K. This is not a day trade. Maybe it's a kind of swing play. It will take some time, maybe 1 week to play out, but I'm keeping eye on this level. That's about index. Let's switch towards the stocks. I have NVIDIA on my list. So let me remove all the drawing. And NVIDIA is trading near the all-time high. This is all-time high level. Uh, this is the level, uh, and the opening price of this all-time high was this. So this was the weak form. So this you can consider as a region. This is a region. And if you see yesterday what happened, so this was the day before yesterday, we had a really good candle, but we didn't have much follow through. And today also we are trading near inside this giant candle. We haven't lost this low, so still there is opportunity towards the upside as long as this low held, which is a 208 level. So as long as 208 level holds, I'm looking forward to towards the upside. Uh, so let's switch towards the smaller time frame. So this is a smaller time frame. If you see, this level is being held, and yeah, price is just doing a rotational now. So another trading idea can be in case we go above this high. So this is a high of this consolidation. So in case we go above 214, so we are likely going to test this all-time high level, and 220. 220 is a good psychological level to target. So this is a long I would like to play, keeping a $1 stop loss, and yeah, basically 1:8 risk to reward, huge risk to reward, but only above the 214.34. So this is the only trading idea I can see for NVIDIA. No short. Short can be initiated below 208. So in case we lose this 208 level, then next level to target is 197. So only if we lose this 207 level, then you can plan this short position. Next is Google. Google is also trading near the all-time high. If we see on Google on a daily time frame, so this is the all-time high level. This is the all-time high level. Let me mark this. This is all-time high level. We didn't have in much clean break, so this is not a clean break. Also yesterday's price action is inside the day before yesterday's price action. So long can be initiated only above this high, which is 353, because then we are likely going to chop between this region. So so yeah, long is above this one, keeping a small stop loss for target of 1 is to T3, 1 is to 4. Okay, busy mana. Yeah, that's about Google. Above the 353, targeting 360 is a good level. AMD, I'm looking at the AMD chart on a daily time frame. If you see daily, is parabolic move towards the upside. We had filled this gap. So I think I discussed this scenario that below this low, gap can fill. So it was filled but it was filled during the pre-market hours. So it's unfortunate we didn't get opportunity, but after the gap fill, we had a good bounce towards the upside, and we have left upside gap. So this was the upside gap we have left. So let's see. After the gap fill, I think price looking quite bullish. This is a up move followed by this continuation looks like. So uh, another scenario for the long to fill the gap is about 327, keeping a small stop and targeting 334. Good risk to reward. 1 is to 2.5. You can target about 327, targeting 334. So this is one of the idea. But in case we go bullish above 337, I think we are likely going to test this all-time high again. So this is one of the trading idea. The second is longing above 327 for the gap fill target. This is the second idea. Yeah, I think that's it from my side. I hope you enjoyed the session. Thanks a lot.